Hello viewers, welcome to Tech with Tahir YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can switch your account into a pro account. Like when we start a new account, that probably become a private account, but we have to switch our private account into a pro account, and after converting our account into a pro account, we get more followers, more viewers, and also more likes. So let's get started. So what we need to do, we'll go into the me section here, and then we'll click on this three dots button, and after tapping on it, the options will be like that. Before moving further, I have a request for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and select all. So then we'll click on this manage my account option, and here you can see there's the option in red color, switch to pro account. We'll click on it, and after clicking on it, we'll get two options, that either we want to convert into a business account, or we are a creator. So I am a creator, I'm an individual person, I'm not making this account for a business account, so I'll select on creator and then tap on this next button. And here it asks us that which type of content we are gonna make. It's about a pet, animal, medical, health, entertainment, brand, art, so whatsoever. I will click on entertainment and next, and here I'm male, me female, so I'll select on male, done. After that, it says after doing this, you can see this account has become pro account. Now you can see there's another option here, analytics. When you convert your account into a pro account, then you get that option of analytics, where you can see the performance of your account, of your growth on TikTok. So you must switch your account into a pro account to get more viewers, more followers, and more likes on your videos. So that's all for today.